Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Speaking Hub, your favorite place to practice real, everyday English. I'm Mia.
And hello everyone. I'm Leo. It is so good to be back with you today. Mia, I am feeling fantastic today. I have my warm tea right here, and I am ready to talk. But wait, I see you have a giant cup of coffee today.
Yes, Leo. A very big coffee because today we need a lot of energy. We are going to a very big, exciting place inside the city.
Ooh, inside. Is it a museum? Or a library?
No, it's a place with music, lights, many different floors, and hundreds of shops.
Ah. I know. A shopping mall. Or we can just say, the mall, right?
Exactly, the shopping mall. The mall is not just for buying things. It is actually one of the best places in the world to practice real-life English. There are signs to read, announcements to listen to, and real people to talk to.
That is a perfect topic. I go to the mall almost every weekend, but I usually get nervous when I have to speak English there.
Don't worry, Leo. Today, we are going to take our listeners on an English shopping trip. But before we walk into the mall, we have our regular small request. If you enjoy learning with us, please take 1 second to click that like button right now.
Yes, give us a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to Daily English Speaking Hub. Share this episode with your friends or classmates who are also learning English. Your support helps us create more lessons every week.
Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, Leo, adjust your backpack. Let's walk through the sliding doors and enter the mall. Wow, look at this place. It's huge. In English, we can call these places shops or stores. Both words are perfect. Leo, what kind of store should we visit first?
Let's go into that big clothes store over there. I can see shirts, t-shirts, jackets, and pants. Oh, wait, blue pants have a special name, right?
Yes. Blue pants made of thick cotton are called jeans. Jeans are incredibly popular all over the world.
I love wearing jeans and comfortable t-shirts. Look, Mia. I see a really nice red shirt on that clothing rack. I want to check it out. But wait, how do I find the correct, what's the word for how big or small it is?
The word you are looking for is size. In most international stores, sizes are very simple. They use letters. S for small. M for medium. L for large. And sometimes XL for extra large.
Perfect. I am a size medium. We are medium friends, Mia. But before I buy this red shirt, I need to know if it looks good on me. I want to put it on my body. What is the English phrase for that?
We use the phrasal verb, try it on. You can ask a worker in the store, excuse me, can I try this on?
Can I try this on? Got it. And where do I go to do that? A small private room?
Yes. We call that room the fitting room or the changing room. Inside the fitting room, you will find a big mirror so you can look at yourself.
Okay, I am imagining myself in the fitting room. I look in the mirror, wow, this red shirt looks great. I love it. I want to buy it. What is the next step?
You take the shirt and walk to the front of the store. Usually, you have to wait in a line of people. When it is your turn, you talk to the cashier. The cashier is the person who scans the item and takes your money.
Okay, I am at the cashier. I give the worker my red shirt. The machine goes beep. What does the cashier say to me?
The cashier will tell you the price. They will say, that will be dollars, please, or your total is dollars.
$20. Okay, now I have 2 ways to pay. I can use paper money and coins. What do we call that?
We call paper money and coins cash. You can say, I'll pay with cash.
Or, I can use my plastic card, a credit card or a debit card. I can just hand it to them and say, here you are.
Exactly. Here you are is a very natural phrase to use when you hand your card or money to someone. Then, the cashier will put your shirt in a shopping bag and hand you a small piece of paper. Leo, this piece of paper is very important. What is it called?
Oh, I know this one, but the spelling is tricky. It is the receipt. The letter P is silent. You don't say recept, you say receipt.
Brilliant pronunciation, Leo. Yes, the receipt. Why is the receipt so important for a shopper?
Because what if I go home, put the shirt on again, and realize it is actually too small or has a hole in it? I can take the shirt and the receipt back to the store and return it to get my money back. The receipt is my proof of purchase.
Exactly. A top travel tip for all our beginners. Always keep your receipt in a safe place.
Phew. Walking around the clothes store was hard work, Mia. My feet are a little tired, and my stomach is starting to complain. I am hungry.
I knew you would say that. Let's go to the most delicious area of them all. It is a huge open space with hundreds of tables in the middle, and many different small restaurants around the outside. Do you remember the name of this place?
Yes. It is called the food court. I love the food court because you can choose anything. One person can eat pizza, another person can eat hamburgers, and another can get Chinese food, but you can all sit at the same table.
Right. Let's go to the pizza counter. We look up at the big sign with the list of food and prices. That list is called the menu. I see cheese pizza, pepperoni pizza, and veggie pizza.
The worker at the counter smiles and asks a very polite question. Hello, what would you like?
And how do you answer that politely, Leo?
I remember from our restaurant episode. I shouldn't say, I want. Instead, I say, I would like. Or, I'll have. So I will say, I would like 1 slice of cheese pizza, please.
And I will say, I'll have 1 slice of pepperoni pizza and a bottle of water, please.
Then we pay the cashier, take our tray of food, find an empty table, and sit down. This mall pizza is so hot and delicious.
It really is. The food court is great because the phrases are short, the service is fast, and it is a low-pressure place for beginners to practice ordering food.
Okay, Mia, I finished my pizza and drank my water. But now, I have a small problem. The mall is so big, and I have walked in circles. I don't know where I am. I am lost. And more importantly, I really need to find the toilet.
Facing getting lost in a mall happens to everyone. In public places like a mall, we usually use the words bathroom or restroom. To find it, you need to ask a worker or a security guard for help. Don't be shy.
Okay, I see a mall worker cleaning a table. I walk up to them. What is the first thing I say to be polite?
Always start with the magic phrase, excuse me.
Excuse me. And then I use the most helpful question structure for traveling, where is the? So I say, excuse me, where is the restroom?
Perfect, Leo. Where is the is a lifesaver sentence. You can use it for absolutely anything at the mall. Try a few more.
Excuse me, where is the bookstore? Excuse me, where is the cinema or movie theater? Excuse me, where is the exit?
Yes. It is that simple. And the helpful worker will point their finger and give you simple directions, like, go straight and turn left, or it's on the 2nd floor, next to the shoe store.
Wow, once you know that simple pattern, you never have to worry about being lost again.
Exactly. Well, Leo, we bought a shirt, we ate some great pizza, and we found the restroom. Our mall trip is finished, and look at the time.
Wow, time really flies when you are practicing English at the mall. My feet are tired in real life now. Let's do a quick review of the top 5 words and phrases we learned today.
Let's count them down. Size, small, S, medium, M, large, L. Try it on, to put clothes on your body in the fitting room. Receipt, the small paper that is your proof of purchase. Food court, the big area with many small food stalls. Where is the best question to ask for directions when you are lost.
What a great list. For our listeners, the next time you go to a shopping mall, look around you. Look at the English signs, listen to the background announcements, and try to use at least one English phrase. Real-life practice is how you truly improve.
Well said, Leo. And now, it's time for today's interactive homework. Please scroll down and leave a comment below this episode.
We have a fun question for you today. What is your absolute favorite store or shop to visit when you go to the mall? Do you like clothing stores, electronic stores, bookstores, or do you just go straight to the food court like me?
Write your answer in simple English. We love reading your comments every single week. It is genuinely our favorite part of making this podcast.
Thank you so much for shopping and learning with us today on Daily English Speaking Hub. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep smiling.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.